Hey everyone, in this video, let's talk about how you can use Salesmartly. In order to do so, here we are at salesmartly.com. And what is Salesmartly all about? Well, global engagement omni-channel platform. Connect every touch point and convert every conversation into growth. Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, TikTok, YouTube, you name it, it's here. And you can start for free, or you can book a demo. 300,000 plus customers worldwide, with customers all over the world, more and more customers from different industries. Choose Salesmartly to achieve business growth. Connect with customers your way with AI-powered omni-channel solutions. Centralize all your multi-channel messages in one place. Sell, market, and provide support across live chat, WhatsApp, Facebook Messenger, Instagram, TikTok, Telegram, Line, email, VK Kontakte, and WeChat for a unified experience. Very cool. Deliver customer support in seconds, streamline communication for efficient teamwork, centralize, organize, and analyze all your customer information in one place. And if you're interested in taking advantage of Salesmartly, head over to salesmartly.com. Let's take a look at the pricing. So we have the free version, and then the pro version is currently at about $12 a month, but it looks like regular it's around $15, $16. So just keep that in mind. With the pro version, you get unlimited chat quota, unlimited automatic response quota, unlimited AI robot reply quota, 100,000 free AI characters per month, unlimited group messages, Salesmartly branding removal, channel diversion link, exclusive chat link, data export, 7x12 after sales service, and you can demo it. So if you're interested in Salesmartly, head over to salesmartly.com. You can start for free. You can book a demo. And that's all there is to it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a comment and like and subscribe. Don't forget to set your notifications for more helpful tips. Also, if you take a look in the link tree, you'll find if you take a look in the description, you'll find a link to our link tree. There you will find our socials. We'd love to have you on our Discord. We're building a community there around AI animation. Check it out. And we have a variety of AI promotions there in our link tree as well. Click on any of those to get started. You'd be helping us out and we'd appreciate it. Finally, if you're interested in an online bank, check out Simply Financial. If you click on the referral link in the link tree, you can get $50 to open up an account. And then you can get $125 per referral for referring your friends and family. It's a great deal. It's a great bank. Can personally vouch for it. Simply Financial comes highly recommended. Check to see if it's available in your area.